Afternoon. It is July 5th, 2016. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. Let's take a quick look at the severe weather outlook. I want to talk to you about Wednesday's weather and the potential for some heavy thunderstorms with damaging winds and heavy rain. The Storm Prediction Center has placed our region in a slight risk for severe thunderstorms for Wednesday afternoon and night. You can see that here across eastern Missouri into Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois. They may shift this around a little bit. They'll update again around 1 o'clock tonight and then again 7 o'clock on Wednesday morning. Normally this does shift around a little bit, so keep that in mind. We take a look at the upper level winds, and I want to show you the 500 millibar map, and what this does is shows you vorticity. Just consider these vorts, these bright colors, lobes of energy, and they move through the atmosphere, and when they ripple through our area, showers and thunderstorms can develop, and some of those storms could be on the heavy side. We move into Wednesday, and what I want to show you is on Wednesday morning and afternoon, this strong vortex ball of energy moves into our area from the west-northwest, and this could trigger an area of showers and thunderstorms over at least portions of our region. We move through Wednesday evening, and that particular vort moves off to the east, but it does leave behind several other lobes of energy that are going to stick around into Thursday, Friday, and perhaps Saturday. We move through here and I show you the Friday, Thursday night, and Friday map, and you see more of those bright colors passing over our area. And again, each time those pass over our area, you can expect some showers and thunderstorms. Exact placement of each thunderstorm complex will need to be monitored. That's probably going to be a short range forecast, more in the 12 to 18 hour time frame. We have to see where they develop, and then we'll decide where they're going to track. I wanted to show you the 850 millibar wind maps, and what I want to show you here is Wednesday night. These bright colors indicate anywhere from 40 to 50 knot winds at the 850 millibar level, about 5,000 feet aloft. That's a lot of wind for July in the low-level jet, and what you'll notice is it's moving from west to east, and that's a concern. If we have thunderstorms on Wednesday night and Thursday morning and they train over the same areas, then some very heavy rainfall amounts could occur. It would be nothing for these storms to produce 2 or 3 inches of rain per hour. If you get a couple of thunderstorms moving over the same counties, you can have isolated rainfall totals in excess of 3 or 4 inches. Keep that in mind. Wednesday night and Thursday, we're going to have to monitor for the potential of heavy rain, and then beyond Wednesday night and Thursday, we will have additional shower and thunderstorm chances on Thursday, Friday, and perhaps on Saturday. I want to show you the precipitative water values. Precipitative water is a way that meteorologists measure how much moisture is in the entire atmosphere from top to bottom. And what I want to show you as we move forward, once we get into the 2-inch or above numbers, those are extreme amounts of moisture in the atmosphere. And on Wednesday afternoon and evening, we do have some 2.3 numbers over our area, and widespread 1.7, 1.8 in the dark blue. The yellow colors are above 2 inches in precipitative water values. And that's a lot of moisture. Again, if thunderstorms train over the same areas, you're going to experience heavy rain. We move into Wednesday night and Thursday morning, you still see some high amounts of moisture over our area. Basically, these high numbers are going to stick around right on through Friday, so any storms that form could drop quite a bit of rain. Take a look at the NAM model Futurecast radar, and we're going to stop it on Wednesday morning. We watch this line of storms back here in Minnesota to Nebraska will develop on Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, and then push south and east. And then as we move into late morning hours on Wednesday, perhaps around 12 or 1 o'clock Wednesday afternoon, I'm going to be watching a couple of areas of showers and storms to our north and northwest, and those may move into our area, and they could produce some damaging winds and heavy rain. The exact track of these storms is a bit questionable. The NAM model brings it across southern Illinois, maybe even like a Beau echo type event moving into southern Illinois, moving towards northwest Kentucky. That would produce high winds. But again, this is a model, and models are guidance and not gospel. That means they won't be exact, but they'll give you the general idea of what might happen. And so we'll have to keep an eye on the exact placement of these showers and thunderstorms as they push south and east. I'll stop the map around 7 o'clock on Wednesday night, and you see that line of showers and storms moving into southwest Indiana, northwest Kentucky, and Illinois. Now, could it be further back here? Yes. Could it be a little further northeast? Yes. We'll have to keep an eye on that. This is not going to be exactly what radar looks like tomorrow night, but again, gives you a general idea that there is potential for some heavy rain and storms. Another concern is late Wednesday night and Thursday. A boundary moves in from the north, and along this boundary, showers and thunderstorms will develop. Some of those storms could be on the heavy side, and if they train over the same areas, then you could pick up 2 or 3 inches or more of rain in less than an hour. We move through until about 4 a.m. on Thursday morning, and you still see that boundary in our area, and that's a concern. Again, some of these storms could train over the same areas repeatedly, delivering very heavy rainfall totals. We move into Thursday afternoon around 1 o'clock, and you see some scattered showers and storms in our area, and we may have scattered storms right on through Saturday. So keep that in mind. We may have some wet weather over the coming days. Take a look at the NAM rainfall total forecast, and this is showing anywhere from 2 to 3 inches over southern Illinois to no rain over southeast Missouri. Again, will this be correct? Not necessarily. The models showed almost no rain in western Kentucky the other night, and we had 4 to 8 inches of rain. So I don't trust the models when it comes to rainfall totals in the summer. Wherever the thunderstorm complexes track, you're going to pick up 1, 2, 3 inches of rain in a short amount of time. Get a couple of those complexes over the same area, and you can pick up 3 or more inches of rain in a couple of hour time frame. So keep that in mind. This is just what the model is showing. It won't be exact. The bottom line is we could have some heavy rainfall totals over the next few days, and they could produce flash flooding. All right, that's the general forecast idea for the next 24 to 36 hours. I'll update again on Wednesday morning with another video. We'll check out the severe weather parameters at that time and see how we are looking for Wednesday afternoon and Thursday night, and Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Stay tuned and monitor updates. Have a good day.